I'm going to talk today about compulsory drug testing, CDT drug testing for cocaine. And the reason I'm going to talk about CDT for cocaine is that it is frequently one of the drugs that individuals are found to have breached their CDT test for. Now, when considering cocaine, cocaine is taken into the body, absorbed by the body, but in being absorbed by the body and then excreted by the body, there's very little cocaine that is actually excreted within urine. It's normally broken down as it goes through the body and is excreted from the body. And the metabolite that is frequently searched for is more stable than cocaine. The metabolite is called benzoylecgonine. And it is benzoylecgonine that the CDT lab tests for rather than cocaine. So benzoylecgonine is more stable. It survives the journey through the human body better than cocaine does. So there may still be some cocaine found in urine, but more often it will be benzoylecgonine that is searched for by the lab. Now, benzoylecgonine, as I say, it is a stable substance, more stable than cocaine. However, benzoylecgonine is not found exclusively just within cocaine. It can be found in other substances as well. In addition, it is possible that there may be a misanalysis for benzoylecgonine for metabolites such as tropane alkaloid metabolites, or, for example, erythroxylin coca or erythroxylin catuaba. These may give false positive readings for benzoylecgonine, and therefore the assumption being that the benzoylecgonine has come from cocaine. So when an individual has a CDT positive result, when they have failed the CDT for cocaine, it may be that they may wish to consider whether or not the benzoylecgonine has come from cocaine use or whether it could possibly have come from other sources. In addition, it may be necessary to request a toxicology report, the lab report, to see whether the report has correctly identified benzoylecgonine or whether, for example, metabolites of tropane alkaloids have been found and misanalyzed as benzoylecgonine, or whether erythroxylin coca or erythroxylin catuaba have been misanalyzed as benzoylecgonine. So an individual receiving their personal letter from the CDT team informing them where and when they have failed the CDT and for what, if it's for cocaine, then going in front of their commanding officer for their pro forma April 2019 interview with 14 questions. When it comes to the question about whether or not they accept or deny taking the prescribed substance and giving them 48 hours to prepare a written response, they may wish to consider whether or not the benzoylecgonine found in their urine, or said to be found in the urine, is derived from cocaine, whether it's actually come from another source, or whether the benzoylecgonine itself has been misanalyzed and perhaps, possibly, the lab has, or the lab results, if a lab result is to be requested, if a toxicology report is to be requested, have misdiagnosed and misanalyzed. For example, it might be the metabolites of tropane alkaloids or erythroxylin catuaba or erythroxylin coca have been found instead of benzoylecgonine. These are all matters that an individual might wish to consider addressing if they've been given the option of, they've decided to accept the option of providing a written response within 48 hours.